The young corporate, SGRTech, has an eco-friendly spirit that considers people. We are a company that puts people before profit. We are an environmental technology company that thinks about people and the environment, that revives the earth, which is the foundation of people's living. Following the business registration in 2000, we could successfully register for soil remediation business in 2005 and established a contaminated soil purification facility, Ulsan, in 2008, a contaminated soil purification facility, Gyeongju, in 2021, and was designated as Ulsan Star Company in 2022. We possess over 20 patents that are related to soil and underground water purification, as well as application methods and production of alkali agents using carbon dioxide generated from biological soil purification process, purification device that uses 듀얼팩커를 for non-biodegradable organic material, and the situ chemical purification method using this. Moreover, SGRTech have patents in fluorine-contaminated soil purification method and purification system using sequential reaction by soil particle size. Our company is known for being the best in Korea, particularly in the fields of polluted soil and underground water purification. Also, we lead environmental preservation in the front line by purifying and supporting technology through possessing various equipment required for polluted soil and underground purification. Recently, a lot of attraction was focused on soil pollution in gas stations and U.S. military bases, as it is considered a serious social problem. To prevent the expansion of pollutants in the underground water, the necessity of local pollution purification is particularly growing. The necessity of selective purification is also growing according to the severity of pollution. However, the previous technology has struggled from injecting the oxidant in selective depth and large amount of oxidant loss. It also struggled for its high cost of purification and longer processing time. Therefore, the advancement of underground oxidation technology is required to increase the transfer efficiency of the oxidizing agents. SGRTech has developed AISCO, Advanced In Situ Chemical Oxidation, using a 듀얼팩커를 and radical inducer that satisfies both efficiency and cost. 듀얼팩커를, equipment that injects soil purification, oxidizer enables selective injection deeply into the soil contaminated with petrol.
산화제를 넓게 퍼지게 하기 위해 중간 부분에서는 산화제, 끝 부분에서는 가압수가 나오는 형태로 설계되었고, 오염 범위에 따라서 산화제만 주입되는 경우, 산화제와 공기, 가압수를 같이 주입하는 경우로 구분지어 사용할 수 있습니다.
The method of use is also pretty simple. The 듀얼팩커를 can be placed after making a hole in the soil that requires purification. When we operate the equipment after connecting the 듀얼팩커를 with the oxidizer injecting tank, the oxidizer comes out from the middle and pressurized water comes out from the end. There is an advantage, as the oxidizer that usually spreads downward can easily spread across the side, which expands the purification area. This method enables selective oxidizer injection depending on the pollution severity, which also increases efficiency. At the same time, it saves construction costs and environmental risk by reducing the amount of oxidizer.
산화제 주입량은 기존 기술 대비 30-40% 절감 가능하며, 이를 통해 환경 유해성 및 공사 비용도 30% 정도 절감 효과를 기대할 수 있습니다.
SGRTech has also developed a radical inducer with the university, which can be applied to the soil purification oxidizer. Previous hydrogen peroxide had the disadvantage of low efficiency when using an oxidizer because it reacted to the soil particles or organic matter, leading to an autolytic process. However, SGRTech has used persulfate, which is more stable to suppress the autolytic process of soil by adding radical inducers. Also, it controls the radical production that can take the pollutants apart.
산화제 단독으로 사용하는 것에 비해 산화제 자분해의 저감률 40% 이상 달성을 했고, 이에 산소를 더할 경우 산화제 자분해 저감률이 18% 추가 향상되었습니다. 이런 연구 결과를 통해 국내 토양 정화 사업에 최초로 적용하여 사업화를 진행하고 있습니다.
As a result of verification at the contaminated soil site that occurred due to the time-worn plumbing of the underground storage facility, the oxidizer transfer efficiency was increased to over 80% compared to the previous single packer. The reduction rate for the oxidizer autolytic process was improved to over 30%. We achieved a threefold reduction in the oxidizer injection volume. Also, the influence radius of the oxidizer was improved to over 42%, and the effective area was improved to over 67%. Through the advancement of underground oxidation technology using the radical inducer and a dual packer developed by SGRTech, the injection volume could be reduced compared to the previous injection volume of the oxidizer. Also, this underground oxidation technology is applied to various places, as it can maximize the efficiency of using oxidizers and save costs by reducing the injection amount. As incidents of environmental pollution and oil contamination are increasing, attraction towards purification has dramatically increased. SGRTech provides setting plans for operating the business effectively and proceeding and constructing research for the additional pollutant and preventing secondary contamination and purification works for contaminated soil. Once the soil is contaminated, it is hard to turn it back. SGRTech is leading the purification business in the front for nature and the environment.